Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Today I'm going to show you how to dehydrate the end pieces that you would normally discard on asparagus. So I've done this before, but since we have a lot of new subscribers and brand new people to dehydrating and canning, and I have this left over, I'm going to show you again. So I'm just going to spread this out on a dehydrating sheet, and I have the Excalibur 9 tray that I just love. This thing is amazing, you guys. It dehydrates really, really quickly. These will be dehydrated by this evening and ready to turn into powder. So, a lot of you may ask, why dehydrate your discards from vegetables or, especially something like asparagus? Well, I make powder out of it, and I will show you that in just a second. Okay, I'm going to get this into the dehydrator, and then I'll show you the powder that we make out of it. So this right here is my my dehydrated asparagus. So you can see, now I did this before I got my, my coffee grinders, herb spice grinders. So this is not completely ground as much as I want. So I will be grinding this more as I do the other ones. But I just want to show you, this is in a half pint container. And this was probably about 2 pounds, maybe more, maybe 3 pounds of asparagus. So what do you use this for? How about cream of asparagus soup, or even cream of broccoli soup to make to use as a thickener in your soup? You can use this as a thickener in any soup, but this makes amazing cream of broccoli soup, you guys. You just make a regular cream soup, use this as your base for the asparagus flavor. Add in some fresh asparagus as you're doing it, and it is amazing. You know, chunks of asparagus. You can even add in some chunks of zucchini to add to it. A little bit of peppers. I just picked some peppers and tomatoes and cucumbers just a little bit ago, and some eggplants that I have out of the picture right now. But just add a little bit of chilies for it to be a little bit spicy, and you have a beautiful soup. So if anybody has tried this, let me know how you like your asparagus powder and what you do with it. So today's word of the day for this video is going to be asparagus powder. So like the video, comment in the section. Don't forget the word of the day, but I also want to know if you've tried asparagus powder and how you use it. So and also subscribe so that you are eligible for my 8,000 subscriber giveaway. We are going to be giving away a dehydrator this time, and I look forward to that. And stay tuned, you guys. Lots of good videos coming. Thanks for watching.